Hi there, I'm Mitch, the Answer Guy from Cavalier Plumbing. Today I want to share a quick tip that can save you water, money, and a lot of frustration. If your faucet keeps dripping, drip, 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 you're not alone. A leaking faucet is one of the most common plumbing problems homeowners deal with. The good news is that it's often a super simple fix. Most faucet leaks are caused by a worn-out washer or cartridge inside the faucet handle. Over time, these small parts wear down from normal use. When that happens, water slips past the seal and you get that constant dripping. Even a slow drip can waste hundreds of gallons of water every year. Here's the basic fix. First, turn off the water supply under the sink. Next, remove the faucet handle using a screwdriver or Allen wrench. Then take out the cartridge or washer inside the faucet. Take that old part with you to Home Depot so you can match it exactly. Install the new part, reassemble the faucet, and turn the water back on. Most of the time, that will stop the leak completely. If the faucet still leaks, the valve seat may be worn or the faucet itself may need replacement. In that case, it's best to call us. If you're in the Salt Lake Valley and need help with a leaking faucet, water heater, or any plumbing issue, Cavalier Plumbing is always happy to help. Just give us a call at 801-277-7411. Remember, Cavalier Plumbing, your reliable professional plumber, always done right the first time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next answer video soon.